was what the audience will see. And what's happening when I'm doing it is I'm turning to my left, and then when I turn to my left, I'm turning when my right arm is up top and my left arm is down bottom. And I turn like this so that my right hand goes back and my left hand goes front, and then I go into the 4 petal. So if I just did the whole thing, when my right arm's on top, next time I'm going to turn to the left, then they both go up, boom, boom. And then you could come to here and go back into it. And then this next time I'll turn, boom, 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 boom. Or instead of coming into the butterfly at the bottom, you could do what I just did, which was, watch carefully, when I'm here, I'll bring my left hand I'll bring this one to the front while the right one is swinging up. Either way will work. And I think stopping here in the intermediary is a good way to get used to it before you're ready to just immediately jump into this. I will do it this way so that you're facing my back view and you can model exactly what I'm doing. So if we start in the 2 petal here, not this one, not this next one, but this next one, we're going to turn, and then what you do is separate your arms into warrior pose here, and then from here you go up and go around in your 4 petal. And then come down to the bottom. You're going to turn to the right. When you're in the bottom, they're both at 6 o'clock. You can either bring your left to the bottom and bring your right to the top to start the stacked circles, like that. Or bring your left to the bottom, get into the butterfly, and then go into your stack, whichever way is more comfortable. So 5, 6, 7, 8. Turn your body now. Up, over, down, and hold it up here. 5, 6, 7, 8. Turn and move it to the back, and up and over and down. Bring it to the top. 5, 6, 7, 8, and turn and up and over and down. Bring it up to the top, and 5, 6, 7, 8. Turn left, bring it back, and up, over, down. Bring it up to the top. 5, 6, 7, 8. Turn left and up and over and down and up. And so what's weird about this transition, I think, is from this point here, you do have a moment with the right hand where you're briefly, right here, going into that anti-spin before you go back to that in-spin flower, right? So this is all in-spin, all in-spin, all in-spin, but then you have this one moment right here, boom, before you go into that of anti-spin. One thing that can help is, thinking about this, it's almost like doing half of that cap. Like this cap here. It's almost like you're doing half of the anti-spin portion of it. It is exactly like you're doing half of the anti-spin portion, going from this top position to this side position. Because you're doing just the swoop, like if you were to draw it, it would just be the swoop like this. And then you would go into in-spin here. We're going up and down, and up and down, and up and down. Now we're going to turn, and then they both go up and back and down and front and top and back and down. Turn to butterfly and bring it up and down and up and down and up and down. And now turn and up and back and down and front and top and back and bottom. Now flip it to the front and butterfly. Now bring it up and down and up and down and up and down. And now turn it here and go up and back and bottom and front and up, back, bottom, flip to the butterfly. Your left hand is going to be overhand in front of you like this. What you need to do is bring it like this behind your back to go into warrior. So you're here to go into this sort of warrior position. You have to flip it to the backside from the bottom. You're not doing this, you're doing this. You're bringing it out to the side when you flip it to the back. So hold this, we'll go 5, 6, 7, 8, 1, 2, 3, 4, and then go around the flower and down. And come to butterfly, and then get back to this position. 5, 6, 7, 8. Flip the last point and bring it out. 5, 6, 7, 8. Now around the flower. Bum, bum, bum. Come to butterfly. Bring it to the stack. 5, 6, 7, 8. Go like this. And then up and around and down. Flip it to butterfly. Bring the right hand up. 5, 6, 7, 8. Go to warrior. 5, 6, 7, 8. Both up and around and down to butterfly. You're here. And you move from here, then to here. And around in your flower and down. You're here. 5, 6, 7, 8. Turn to warrior. Then both go up, then around and down. And 5, 6, 7, 8. Turn left to warrior, both up, come down, and bottom. Right arm up, and 5, 6, 7, 8. Turn left to warrior, both up and around and down. Come to butterfly, bring the right arm up. 5, 6, 7, 8. Stretch to warrior, turning left, both up, coming down, both at the bottom. Come to butterfly. And now let's do the petals. So that's once, that's twice, that's 3 times. Now on this 4th one, here we go. We're going to turn to warrior, both up, come down, come to the bottom, come to butterfly. Now back to the stack circle. 1 and 2 and 3 and 4. Come to warrior and both up, down to the bottom, come to butterfly and stack. 1 and 2 and here we go. On this 4th one, spread to warrior, both up and coming to this bottom and down, come to butterfly. I imagined this from when your right hand is up here and your left one is down bottom, you turn left into the open arm warrior pose to go into the 4 petal. So from this position, there, you turn, then up, and down, then bottom, butterfly, flower, once, and flower, twice, and flower, 3 times. Now come up, separate to warrior, both up, coming down to the bottom, come to butterfly. Starting from here, 5, 6, 7, and right arm up and down, right arm up, 2nd time and down, 3rd time up and down. Now this 4th time, after we go up, we're going to turn. Now flower, go up, down to the bottom, 2nd time around, and up, down to the bottom, turn to butterfly. Now bring the right arm up, 1st time, and 2nd time, and 3rd time. Now this 4th time, here we go, turn left, and then up, sides, bottom, sides, up, sides, bottom, turn to butterfly, right arm up, and stack, and stack, and stack. And now this next time, we're going to turn to that warrior, both up, sides, bottom, sides, up, sides, bottom, sides. Oops, I did it too many times. Come to the front and butterfly, and stack circle, and 3rd time, and 4th time. Here we go. Now we're going to turn, and both up, sides, down, sides. Both up, sides, down, butterfly, right up, right up, right up. And then here, last time, we're going to turn to the warrior, then both up, sides, bottom, sides, up, sides, bottom, and butterfly. Ooh.